Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Unblock Tech U-Box 10 Pro Max. Before we start, I'd like to make a disclaimer. We do not condone any copyright infringements, so use this device at your own risk. The U-Box 10 features a quad-core Cortex A53 CPU and a Mali G31 GPU. It comes with 4GB of DDR3 RAM and 64GB of storage. The U-Box 10 is an IPTV box and allows you to watch thousands of live TV channels and thousands of movies. I'm going to plug this in to see what kind of movies and TV channels it offers. So let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Unblock Tech U-Box 10 Pro Max. Here we have the unit, and we also have some information about the U-Box 10, warranty information, and let's take a look at the accessories box. Alright, inside, let's take a look. We have a 5V power pack, a HDMI cable, and a remote control unit with voice activation. The unit is powered by a quad-core Cortex A53 CPU and a 6-core Mali 31 GPU. It comes with 4GB of DDR3 RAM and 64GB of storage. Connections include an AV out, HDMI, a LAN port, a USB port, and a DC power in. For quick installation, just plug in the HDMI cable and the power cable and you're ready to go. You'll also need two AAA batteries for the remote, and for a better connection speed, we recommend using a LAN cable. Once the unit is fully configured via the easy to follow on-screen instructions, you'll be able to access thousands of TV channels from all over the world. Watch live sports, news and TV programs anytime. Enjoy over 14,000 movies at the press of a button. There's even an option to watch adult movies by entering a secret PIN. You can check out the full review on our website at funkykit.com. And there you have it. That was a quick unboxing of the Unblock Tech U-Box 10 Pro Max, an IPTV box that allows you to watch thousands of movies and live TV channels at the press of a button. And don't forget, we do not condone any copyright infringements, so use this device at your own risk. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. You can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Until next time, this is Winston for funkykit.com.